Meaning of false dawn.
False dawn.
False dawn.
False dawn.
False dawn. False dawn is a term used to describe the phenomenon where light appears on the horizon before sunrise, giving the impression that dawn has arrived. However, this initial burst of light fades and darkness returns. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe a situation where there is a brief, optimistic period that is followed by disappointment. In essence, it refers to a false start or a deceptive beginning that ultimately leads to unfulfilled expectations and disappointment.